Hello everyone, this is Don Wiley again, and I've got another video for you of the construction going on in the villages. It was another beautiful Sunday and I managed to get out and get some good flying in. So this is the scoring building at the Everglades ball fields, and I noticed something different about it today. If you look, it has this canopy out front, and looking closely you'll see that it has some serving windows. So I'm going to assume that this is going to be a concession area. We'll back up now and get a nice overview of the ball field before moving on to look at the Everglades Rec Center again. Here you can see the new pickleball courts. Some are green, some are blue. No idea why. The smaller rectangle at the top is for radio-controlled cars, and radio-controlled boats will be racing on this lake. Here's the Everglades Rec Center. Lots of progress being made, mainly on the inside right now. We'll skip on over to the Magnolia shopping area that's being built. Where these trucks are is probably where the new golf cart store is going to be. There will also be a Citizens First Bank here, and we don't know what else. Nothing else has been announced yet. We'll go back and take a look at the other side of the Everglades Rec Center again. This is the new traffic circle being built on County Road 468. If you'll notice, it's a little bit bigger than the rest, and it has two bypass lanes. We'll go up and take a quick look at the bridge over the Chitty Chatty Creek that's designed for golf carts. This is the traffic circle again, traveling west. All the curbing for the roadway is already done. Now they're just prepping the bed for the road surface. This is the bridge that's being built over State Road 44 at the Rohan Rec Center. You can see the first part of the span right there on the lower right, and the pilings being driven in. Nothing much happening on the other side. This is the bridge that's being built to go across the Turnpike. You can see that the main frame is already being built, and it's pretty substantial in size. It's going to be interesting to watch how fast they build this bridge. It'll be even more interesting to see them put it in place. Still haven't heard anything yet for when they're going to move the bridge over by Brownwood. This is the Lofts, and in true Villages fashion, the amenities go in first. In this case, this building here is the clubhouse for the apartment buildings. We'll take another look at the Lofts going in the opposite direction. That's 2J's in the lower left, and this is 4 of the 5 new buildings that are being built in Brownwood. We'll scoot on over and we'll take a look at the one being built next to Cody's. That ends the look at the major construction. Now I'm going to take some low-level flyovers of the neighborhoods of Marsh Bend and Linden that are being built. This is the new neighborhood on the north side of Hogeye Sink. That's Avedon Lane in front of us, and in the back is Spurlock Way. As I understand it from a very reliable source, all the prime view lots along Spurlock sold out within about 2 minutes of them being listed. The open lots in front of us on Spurlock are on the 9th hole of the Lowlands golf course that's being built. This is Dunham Drive, and it parallels Warm Springs Avenue. Most of the homes here are on very deep lots, which makes them prime properties for putting in a pool. This is the new neighborhood that Thornburg Trail runs through. That's Ryan Villas coming into view at the top. Look carefully and you'll see that this home has a 4-car garage. There's quite a few of those actually in this new area. This is Cree Court. This is a nice little green space. Hopefully it won't turn into another unofficial dog park like so many others have here in the villages. We're passing over Ryan Villas again in the foreground. This cul-de-sac is called Bacon Terrace. I like that name. I'll take a closer look at some of the other houses now. And a quick run back down Thornburg Trail. This is Boudreaux's Circle. This is the street that's all brick instead of asphalt. Most of the homes in this community appear to be getting swimming pools. I'll run through the streets of this community one more time. This house coming up with the brown garage doors, they're actually a wood tone painted, and this is the first time I've seen anything like this in the villages. We'll try another run just a little bit lower. This is DeMarco Drive, and we're moving south towards Marsh Bend Trail. And here's another open area that's scheduled to be just a green space. We'll take a look at the backside of some of the homes on Sebald Street. Those trees are a little closer than I wanted. The new ball fields are off to the right. These homes have some really stunning water views. I'll do a quick pass through the middle of this neighborhood. This is the north end of Linden Isle, and we'll move counterclockwise around the island. Oh look, there's another 4-car garage. One of many. This is moving south along the west side of Linden Isle. Now we'll go east along the south side of Linden Isle. And yet another house with a 4-car garage. And yes, I am poking fun at this stupid issue of this house that was added on to up in the Village of Tall Trees. Sorry, but I think the whole issue was blown out of proportion for absolutely no reason. I'm traveling north now along the east side of Linden Isle. I'll take a quick run through the rest of the neighborhood. These courtyard villas are still yet unnamed. Henry Loop again. Those are Rhett Villas. And that about wraps up this video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I appreciate any feedback you may give. Thank you once again. My name is Don Wiley. Have a pleasant day.